Okay, I think I finally gathered up everything else that I'm going to need for this air compressor. And in the last video we did some tubing bending, and you can see I kind of kinked it up a little bit, and I don't like that, so I just went ahead and bought a new piece of tubing, and I want to show you a different way of bending it without kinking it. Should have did this the first time. But what you do, tape a funnel to the end of it here. And I brought home some sand. And we're just going to fill that up. Like that. Completely full there. And then we'll just take a piece of tape and tape up that end too, so we don't lose it. Make sure we're completely full there. And now we can bend it without it collapsing. Taking it a little tighter on the this time, instead of coming out and trying to go over the pulley, I'm just going to come down under the pulley. It just makes more sense. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first video. So get that oversized belt out there. Just had that on there for looks. I'm just going to use this pulley right here and bend that right on into a 90. Now we have 0 kinks at all. So. Now that'll fit right up under there. And go out to the tank. Now I got that out of the way again. Next you'll notice the set of wheels I got here. Get you down here on the tank so I can show you that. What we've got, a piece of 3/4 inch round bar and some steel wheels that I found. Of course this is the top of the tank, but I'm just showing you here, but that'll fit right across there like that. And then I've got these steel blocks that I'll weld to the tank on each end here, and that'll make good solid back wheels for I'll just have to come up with a front wheel, or probably just instead of a wheel I might just weld a post onto the front like a third little leg. And then I got these 2 pieces of angle. These will be welded like this, and then I'll mount that motor bracket to that, the motor plate. So we'll start working on mounting that plate to these right now. Take these off. I never come to class prepared.
One right there.
I'm just centering these, actually. I need to pause and get a tape measure so I can do this right. All right. I've already got the angle pre-drilled. I'm just going to clamp it to my plate and drill one down through the plate now. Adjust this one a little. Always wear safety gear. Alright, I found a couple bolts to use. Just going to use one on each side for now until I get tomorrow where I can weld it, everything together and get a couple more bolts.
Alright, it's a rainy day today, so I hope this isn't a big mistake. I'm going to go ahead and paint this tank up.